the long block has arrived, so Andrew and Jake are working on transferring some parts. The intake's gonna move over.
Here, I'll do the most important part.
The exhaust headers and all that, they have to move.
Oh.
And the dipstick apparently has to move. That got a little broken. So here's the old engine with the valve covers taken off.
Do you actually want to swap?
And
the valve covers?
there's the current.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Tonight?
Oh, no, we don't have to.
Where is the valve covers? Where are the valve covers?
We'll just leave those on there.
And those exhaust studs are coming right off.
Oh.
Alright, we have to take some parts off the old engine, the intake. We're getting ready to put on the new manifolds, exhaust manifolds that is, and then we have to take some of the timing components out. Yeah.
We'll swap the valve covers while we're doing it, because we have faster ones.
Oh yeah, pretty blue ones.
The valve covers have to come off before we can take the front cover off, because they hook onto it.
Okay.
So if you want to start with those, and the
Valves.
intake. Once the intake's off, I want to lift it using lift points below the intake, so we can drain the oil. Because if you take this off, the oil's going to come flying out.
Oh yeah.
You can take the
That's a good
crankshaft
idea.
bolt off too.
So we just got the timing cover off, and we were a little bit concerned about how much slop there is in this chain over here, but
This tensioner is not pushing very hard on it. It'll stay there. Obviously there's no oil pressure, but the spring in that is pretty much shot. Who knows if it's leaking oil too. This one will tension it all day. So, I think this is shot, and we were going to replace it anyway.
perfect. Yeah, there were much newer parts coming from the blown engine, or the one that dropped the valve. So we will get all of that swapped over. So So we're gonna unbolt the tensioners. What else?
Probably swap these over, the plastic guides, while we're at it.
Okay, so once the tensioner comes off, we'll be able to just get the chain off, I assume. So here's how the timing works on this 05 to 11 4.6 liter engine. Crankshaft, sprocket, the dot has to face down at 6 o'clock. And then the right hand R at the 11 o'clock position, and the left hand arrow at 12 o'clock.
Wait,
We can-
right hand as in from the back of the vehicle, right?
Yeah. And we definitely have compression on this.
We'll mark the links before we pull them off.
So now we painted the chain at each mark. So we're going to be using the chain from the donor engine. So we'll just lay the two chains side by side, transfer the marks over. So that'll help us ensure that the timing is the same after we're done. This is all the video footage I have of swapping the timing chain and tensioners, but it was straightforward. All we had to do was remove the tensioners and old chains, put a mark on two of the links on opposite ends of the new chains, and reinstall them, lining up the marks on the chains with the marks on the sprockets. We had to use the socket to hold the right hand cam sprocket in the 11 o'clock position while installing the chain on that side. We put the timing cover back on and called it a night, and now here's Andrew with the finishing touches.
So the automatic tranny didn't have a pilot bearing. Picked one up today, put it in. Just found the right side socket for the outside to gently tap it in. Now I'm going to put the clutch on. Borrowed an alignment tool. We should be good to go. It's pretty well centered. So, get some bolts in. A little bit of Loctite on the valve cover.
Come on, Andrew, the cover's already blue. Why not put them on the bolts? Yeah, that's good.
Goodbye, camshaft. Racy.